Uh, Hello everybody, this is Abhishek and today in this video I'll be going to demonstrate you my one of the Unix experiment that is using a file processing using a system call. So over here you can see, like, first of all what we need to do, we need to create a new file or open a new file or open an existing file and write n bytes into a file. And third, what we need to do, we need to read a byte from the beginning of the file, using the lc to change the byte offset. And after that, what we need to do, we need to write the byte read into the console using write or print. And finally we need to close the file. So over here you can see on my left hand side of the screen, there is a program using uh, this is a C program, and what we know about the system calls. There are few system calls like write system call, create open system call, close system. Yeah, sorry, read and write. These are all examples of system calls. So over here you can see, like, this is the program I've written in a C program. So what we're doing over here, so over here you can see, like, in the main, these are all I have described as the integer type. And after that, what I do, I'm creating two character arrays, that is char b and char d. And I'll explain the further use in the further program. So over here you can see I've created a many different program over here. Simple, using a printf, like, choose any option in the following, like, for the first one to create a file, second to open a file, third one for inserting the string into a file, fourth one is to displaying the written number, and the fifth one is for reading string from a LC. Sixth one is being the file, and lastly, if nothing is to be done, seven for exiting the file. So now over here, there's a switch case for each and every options over here. For the first one, what we're doing, we print, like, if the message is displayed to the user, like, enter the file name you want to create. So over here, like, scanf, like, the file name, that particular file name is taken into a variable known as s. So, and over here you can see, like, scanf, like, over here it says, like, scanf, and after that, sorry, there's a d, uh, over here, like, this character d has been used to insert the this like, in the first, what we are seeing, like, scanf, and we are giving any file name. So over here, there was a character d, sorry, character array type character with a variable name d, where the value is being stored. And over here, like, there is a system call used as e for the create system call. So fd is equal to create, and after that break, the file will be created. Then after the moving on to the second one, like, when it says, like, enter the file name you want to open. So similarly, what we are doing, it is taking the value for the b. So there is a character array type character with a variable name as b, and over it says, like, there is a system call use open over here, like fd open, and b, the file name is given over here. And similarly, now the third one says, like, for inserting the string into a file. So for inserting a string, what we are using, a buffer. So over here you can see there's another character, array type character, that is a buffer, and buff and buffer2. So what we're using here is using a buff. So there is again, in the third case, you can see, like, what we're doing, we are scanning, we're scanning the number which has been entered by the user. And after that, what we are doing, we are num is equal to write. We are using a write system call to write the what is a particular string entered by the user. In the fourth one, what we are doing, like, displaying the written numbers. So in the fourth case, what we are doing, uh, same way, we are writing, yeah, in the fourth way, what we are doing, uh, we are displaying over here like the written number of the files and the files which has been stored in num. So over here you can see that it is stored in the like a enter the string you want to insert. So whatever the string number is being inserted, it's stored in the num variable. And after that, in the fifth one, what we are doing, we are reading the files from the first position of the lseek. And you can see over here lseek fd from the zero start from the initial level. It says like reading from the first position. And in the sixth case is it's a displaying the written string in the file of the size 30. So read is a system call used over here, and what fd, what the file over there, file directory, simply as a variable we use it. And after that, for the seventh one, the existing and close if I value is equal to 2. So if we press the 7, like even the I will becomes 2 fd and it closes. So I'll show you the output of this program. So so over here you can see there's the following output of the program, and it says like uh, for creating a file. Suppose I need to create a file, like I'll press it 1 and I'll say like vi, for creating a file vi uh, school.txt. It says like the file has been created. And second one, for opening the file, enter the file name to open. Okay. Now this is like for inserting the string, into the file. Third one, for inserting the string. So and one sec. So I created a file in my school over here. So over here you can see like I created the file name as school over here. So you can see that the school has been the okay. Over here you can see like the file school has been created over here. So after creating a file, what I do, I'll use it for the reading the file. Display the in front of the site. Okay. And 7 for editing the program. So this was my small example on file processing using system call. So thank you for watching this video.